mag-virtual at mag-sustain ng fire for at least 5 seconds. So, ang purpose ng flash and fire policy ay para ma-determine ang lowest ang mga temperature na bodies or ang material safely. Next is the flow test. The flow test is used for measuring the consistency or ability of the flow. The consistency of equipment is measured by penetration test or viscosity test. But for bituminous materials with higher viscosity, these tests are not applicable. Instead, the flow test is conducted. So, pinaka-use ang flow test pag measure sa consistency ng bitumen if yung previous na mga tests like penetration and viscosity test
wala ay nga na
available because the material is too viscous.
wala kayo sa buong kapumangkot ko na kaintindi wala
First heated to be completely with, then it is poured into
wala dyan bagsak yan
then it is
kasulpin sa iya
the time takes the water to flow in the sample will be regarded as the flow time. So, ang purpose nito ay ma-determine ang consistency ng bitumen because this is important because the consistency of bitumen ensures that it has the appropriate flow property.
The 19th century experienced inspectors would chew bitumen to evaluate its stiffness or hardness. The process was carried out at body temperature to make the assessment more practical. So this method is very subjective dahil based naman siya sa isang katao tapos hindi wala siya wala siya i-create wala siya i-reliable data ano naman siya like isa lang katao hindi siya isang katao pero tao lang siya na experience na siya na inspector tapos siya lang ang mag-evaluate ang na bitumen tapos dito na nila ma-test ang stiffness o hardness like kung saan lang nila so siya parang subjective iisan siya sa mas scientific method ang i-change kay penetration grading so it is developed relating of by the American Society for Testing Materials so in this method gamit sila ng needle tapos penetrate nila sa bitumen 25 degrees for 5 seconds and high load na 100 grams tapos the depth of penetration measure in times of a millimeter indicates the hardness of the bitumen. The software
ay may video na lang puti ang mata kinsa Bonggi mo sa naka-interrupt shirt ba? Nindot mo naka-interrupt shirt. Nagaglaw ka. Hulugin ako. Yung ang kanin mo. Murag talaw kaya na siya. Magtawag-tawag siya. Mana? Pas bawah. Grab jadi mong global. Kini tadi hamis kayo. Ay, pretty. Pretty. Nakaiwan kayo.
Hindi ka po din kasi delete po.